trying to learn how to build this wealth and secure this bag, you gotta know where to put your money at. So today I'm breaking down 3 stocks in my portfolio that, you know, it's going up in 2025. Rumble, SOFI, and MSTY. If you're ready to make the money moves, I'm gonna need you to stick around. Oh man, what's up YouTube? It's your boy King Josiah, and I'm back with another video. Before we start this video, I just want to let you guys know that we need to start taking control of our financial future. Investing in the right moves now can set us up for generational wealth. Now, first we talking about Rumble. This is, I really do like Rumble, and I owned Rumble before. I owned Rumble around $5, okay? And you know, I was dumb. I sold. I did not have faith in the stock. I'm not even gonna lie. And I was really watching it. I've been watching that stock since about August, or you know, maybe earlier than August, before I entered in my first position at around $5, $5 or $6. I had a good amount of shares, and I was building a position in Rumble. And what I did, I wasn't patient enough. I'm not even gonna lie. So patience is key whenever you invest in these stocks, because I did miss the move, but I am getting back in on Rumble. So I do want to just let you know, first off, with Rumble, they got a crazy $775 million investment from Tether, okay? It's one of the biggest names in crypto. It's not just a bag, it's a power move, okay? They showing serious confidence in Rumble's future. So if you see that someone invests $775 million, I'm gonna throw my money back in there, okay? So now I'm fully confident and I'm back in on Rumble. So let me tell you about December. They had an 83% gain in 1 month. That's the kind of growth you want to see when you're thinking about the long term. Just for the month of December alone. Now for the year, I think they up about 111% for the whole year, okay? So it might seem very high right now, but if you get in right around this price, okay, the price that it's currently at, I think it's currently trading at like $14. It does have a gap to fill, I'm not even gonna lie, but if you just start your position right around that price, you can always average down if it does drop, or just keep it on your watch list. You know, just wait for it to drop down to a lower level. But I would say start your position in Rumble. Now, the second stock we will get into is SOFI. I remember, I think SOFI was like one of my first videos I made. Now, when we talk about SOFI, we talking from a different ballpark now. Because when I was talking about SOFI like maybe a month or 2 ago, and I don't think y'all really heard me. I ain't gonna lie. With SOFI, I made some money on it. Okay, I post my gains right here. I still own SOFI right now. As you can currently see, the price is not the same, but SOFI is making their ways. Their user base grew by 35%, and their bank went from $0 to $24 million in deposits. It's million, or I think it's billion in deposits since 2022. I might be wrong on the billions, it might be millions. My sources might be wrong on that. I'm not even gonna lie. But it's not just growth, it's domination, okay? Innovation of the future. They are not stopping. In 2025, SOFI is dropping new banking products that could change the game for how we manage money. This is why I'm staying locked in on SOFI. Also, SOFI, it has upcoming earnings calls, okay? Now, here's why we're getting excited. Their earning calls is coming up later this month, and I'm expecting even more great news. Make sure you tapped in. With SOFI, they have a price target of around $20, okay? But it's something with the CEO, and he will get a bonus if the price hits, I think, around $40 by 2026. I don't know. It's something like that. Something that I heard. I can't cite my sources on it because it's just something that I heard. But if that's the case, SOFI has potential to go to up around $46. We already know it's going to $20, okay? Right now, the price, I would say you should, I would say wait to start a position on SOFI. You might can get in for a little lower, but when you see it drop, make sure you get in on SOFI. And lastly, we talking about MSTY. Now let's talk about MSTY. I got in at a good price when it was down 12% this month. It's nothing to panic over. The last 6 months is still up over 79%. So it is it's still a win, okay? I'm gonna let you know a little bit about MSTY, okay? It's passive income. Here's why I really like it. They offer a crazy dividend yield. It's another yield max ETF. If you don't know about my yield max ETFs, you need to watch that video on how I'm gonna turn $3,000 into $50,000. So like I said, they're paying you to own the stock, okay? So this kind of pay is gonna build you wealth over time. And I'm gonna also post screenshots of their distribution yield and what you can expect, okay? Because they had some pretty good ones in the past where they was paying you $3 per share you own of MSTY. I think this month they are projected to pay around $1.21 per share that you own of MSTY. Now, still good. So if you own 500 shares of MSTY, they will pay you around maybe around like what, $600 something per month. But on January the 16th, that is when you should expect a payout from MSTY. So make sure you get in before then. Like I said, this is a good time to get in because it's down 12% on the month. And I really don't think you will see prices drop that low again, okay? It's January now, okay? We got a new president coming in, like I said. So this is the perfect time to start your positions on a couple of the stocks. So there you have it, Rumble, SOFI, and MSTY. These are the plays I'm making right now to build wealth and set up for the long term. Each one of these stocks brings something different to the table, and I'm here for all of it. Now, drop a comment, let me know which stock that you're rocking with. Listen, if you're not investing, you leave your money on the table. This is how we go build our generational wealth. It's just one simple move at a time. So drop a comment and let me know which stock that you're rocking with. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the family because I do got some more content coming.